Hey guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the Matchbox Collector's Edition 73 Savanna RX-3. Pretty cool casting. I love that red. Yeah, let's give it a crack it open. Love these little Matchbox they actually come in. I find that really cool. Just give it a crack it open real quick. I really do like these a lot. They're good. They're really good quality too. I don't know. Just remove the paper here. Just make it clean. Yeah, look at the box. I really like the box. I don't know about you. I like collecting these. I keep them up here. Actually, I'll keep them down here. Let's take a look. Ooh. Throw that out and oh, it's heavy. Goodness. Wow. That is beautiful. Oh my god. I don't know what to say about this car. Is really nice. Oh my god. Love the red, the livery, the racing livery. Some people don't like the liveries. Honestly, I like them. Beautiful Mazda. It says right there. You got Firestone. Got a little Matchbox logo. The red rims, the chrome. Really beautiful 9 Mazda Racing. Lights, so exposed, like kind of white lines on the side. Firestone. All the little. You got B&M, the back. Mazda, the headlights. Love this like really nice red they have here. Neon kind of red. Beautiful fit. The fitment on the car is actually pretty nice. Not bad. So really beautiful. It's like, let's give it a little roll. I just want to look at this car. Hold on. Nice metal base. Oh wow. This car is nice to look at too. Like if you've seen this car in your local store, I recommend getting it because like this thing is a gem. It's really nice. It feels like I'm opening a super treasure hunt almost. Like it feels like one. That's really nice. Looks beautiful. Yeah, guys, nothing else to say anyways. Yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Review more cars. Yeah, I'll see ya. Look at that. Oh, nice metal bumper too. I never realized that. And the back too. Yeah, see ya. Oh, a little